Hey guys, this is Tyler again, and you're watching Fare from Scratch. Today we're going to be making a brown butter fall pasta. The ingredients you'll need for this are some penne, a stick of butter, fresh sage, honey, nutmeg, salt, cinnamon, black pepper, a fresh lemon, grated parm, and some walnuts. First, we're going to preheat an oven to 275 and scatter the nuts on a parchment-lined baking sheet. All we're trying to do here is just toast the nuts and give them a better flavor and texture. These should be ready in about 10 minutes. Next, let's boil some water and season liberally with salt. Your pasta water should always be as salty as the ocean. Once the water comes to a boil, just throw your pasta in and stir it occasionally to prevent the pasta from sticking to each other. After it's been cooking for a little while, check the pasta to see if it's al dente. We want it slightly undercooked since it's going to finish cooking in the sauce. Once the pasta is all good, drain it and reserve a cup of that starchy pasta water. It'll help thicken our sauce later on. Next, take your butter and throw in around 3/4 of a stick and just keep stirring it around until it gets all nice and bubbly. What we're going for here is a nice brown, but not burnt butter. You have to keep it on a medium-low heat and stir constantly until we achieve a nice nutty brown color. Once you get it slightly browned, turn your heat to its lowest setting and toss in your sage leaves. After the leaves get a nice crisp to them, remove the biggest leaves and reserve them for plating later on. Next, turn your heat back up to medium, throw in your pasta, and give it a nice toss in that brown butter before adding your pasta water back in. Now it's time to season the pasta with our spices, our toasty nuts, and half a lemon to cut all that fat that we've added in. Finally, we're going to toss in our cheese and stir everything around until it's all nice and melty. Finish things off with a little bit of honey, and we're ready to plate. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Now you can never have too much cheese, so take that block of Parm and grate a little bit more on top. Finally, take those crispy sage leaves, throw them on top, and you are ready to eat. This really has become one of my favorite dishes to make in the fall. The combination of that creamy sage brown butter sauce, the nutmeg, the toasted walnuts, and the honey, it really is an incredible combination, and I really hope that you guys give this a try for yourselves. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you enjoyed that video, please click the subscribe button below, and have a wonderful day.